Yellow teeth naturally whitened. Shocking truth revealed. 3 months ago, I stared at my reflection feeling embarrassed about my yellow-stained smile. Coffee had become my daily companion, but so had the insecurity that came with it. What happened next changed everything about my oral health journey. That morning, my dentist mentioned something that made me pause. "Most people don't realize," she said, "that nature provides powerful teeth whitening solutions right in your kitchen." Her words sparked a research mission that led to discoveries backed by dental science. The American Dental Association confirms that certain natural compounds can effectively reduce tooth discoloration. Studies published in the Journal of Clinical Dentistry show remarkable results when specific foods are used correctly. But here's what surprised me most: the timing and method matter more than the ingredients themselves. Oil pulling became my first experiment. This ancient practice involves swishing coconut oil in your mouth for 10 to 15 minutes daily. Research from the Nigerian Medical Journal demonstrates that coconut oil's lauric acid reduces harmful bacteria while gently lifting surface stains. The process felt strange initially, but within 2 weeks, I noticed subtle improvements. Baking soda emerged as my second discovery. The Journal of the American Dental Association published findings showing baking soda's mild abrasive properties effectively remove plaque buildup. I mixed 1 teaspoon with water, creating a paste used twice weekly. The key insight: overuse can damage enamel, so moderation remains crucial. Turmeric surprised me completely. Despite its yellow color, this spice contains curcumin, which studies from the Journal of Traditional and Complementary Medicine show reduces inflammation and bacteria. I combined turmeric powder with coconut oil, brushing gently for 2 minutes before rinsing thoroughly. Strawberries offered an unexpected solution. Their malic acid content, according to research in Operative Dentistry Journal, naturally breaks down surface stains. I mashed fresh strawberries with baking soda, creating a paste applied weekly. The vitamin also promoted healthier gums. Apple cider vinegar required careful consideration. While studies show its acetic acid can remove stains, dental experts warn about enamel erosion. I diluted it significantly, 1 part vinegar to 10 parts water, and limited use to twice weekly. Hydrogen peroxide, though controversial, deserves mention. The Journal of Periodontology confirms its whitening properties, but concentration matters critically. I used only 3% solutions, rinsing for 30 seconds before brushing. Anything stronger risks serious dental damage. My routine evolved into a systematic approach. Mornings began with oil pulling, followed by regular brushing. Evenings included the baking soda paste twice weekly, with strawberry treatments on weekends. Consistency proved more important than intensity. Diet modifications accelerated results significantly. Reducing coffee, tea, and red wine consumption prevented new stains from forming. When I did indulge, drinking through a straw minimized contact with teeth. Rinsing with water immediately afterward became habitual. 3 months later, the transformation was undeniable. Colleagues commented on my brighter smile, and photographs showed the difference clearly. More importantly, my confidence returned, affecting how I interacted with others professionally and personally. Important considerations emerged during this journey. Individual results vary based on genetics, existing dental health, and stain severity. Some people experience sensitivity, particularly with acidic treatments. Gradual introduction of new methods helps identify what works best for your specific situation. Consulting your dentist remains essential before starting any whitening regimen. They can assess your oral health, identify underlying issues, and recommend appropriate approaches. Professional guidance ensures safety while maximizing effectiveness. Certain foods may not suit everyone's dental condition. People with sensitive teeth, existing dental work, or gum disease should exercise extra caution. Moderation in all treatments prevents potential complications. Tracking progress helps maintain motivation and adjust methods accordingly. Weekly photographs document changes that might be subtle day to day. Keeping a simple journal of treatments and results identifies the most effective approaches for your unique situation. The most remarkable discovery was how simple lifestyle changes amplified results. Staying hydrated, eating calcium-rich foods, and avoiding sugary snacks supported overall oral health. These habits created an environment where natural whitening methods could work more effectively.